Welcome friends to this channel. Today we will learn that how to create a invoicing, and after getting the invoicing we will create the payment voucher. Okay, let's start. For creating an invoicing you need to use the T code F-43. You can see also at my screen. Here you need to put the document date, today's date. Today is 21st August, so we will put 21st August as a document date. Posting date will remain same as the document date you have mentioned. Yeah, 21st August. Type would be KR. What KR represents, you can also see the description of that KR type. You can also press the F1 button to see the detailed. Here you can see the KR represents the vendor invoice. As I told you all earlier that we are going to create a invoice. Okay, so we will select KR. Company code. Company code means for which company you are creating a invoicing document. Okay, Aon, because I represent the Aon Digicon LLP, so I am using Aon as a my company code. Okay, currency would be in INR. INR represents Indian currency. Reference, you can put reference testing JV. JV means general voucher. Okay, or you can also put testing invoicing. Sorry, testing invoicing. Document header test, general voucher. Okay, okay, you all know well about the accounting entries. All of us, we have to book the expense in expense GL. So entry would be expense GL debit to vendor, and after completing this process we need to release the payment by T code F-53. We will discuss later. Okay, so what is the posting key we will use? The posting key will be 40. You can also see in screen that 40 represent the debit entry. Okay, because we are going to debit the expense here. Yesterday video I created a GL which name was security expenses. If you watched my earlier video you can find it. Okay, so the GL number was 34005. You can also see it at the screen. Here you can clearly see that 34005 represent the security expenses. Okay, we are just testing, so we will put rupees 1000 assignment test voucher, vendor invoicing in text. Okay, business place and cost center. Okay, actually I'm showing you the test invoicing so that we will not go to fill the business place and cost center here right now. Okay, so we have done security expenses debit to vendor. To vendor means you need to use 31. 31 represents here credit. You can see C. V means vendor, C means credit. Credit invoice. Okay, account. Here you need to put the vendor account. Press F1 button, or you can also click in this search button. In what account you post the JV or the invoicing entry? Suppose I am going to post, I want to post in Dell India. Yeah, you can see here Dell Private Limited. A vendor is created in company code AON. Okay, so we will select this. The vendor code is 40056. After, please press enter. Yeah, the amount will remain same. The debit amount was rupees 1000, so the credit amount will also 1000. Okay, assignment will also remain same, and you also change the text if you want to. Press enter, or you can also press enter by your laptop. Yeah, then you need to go to document and press simulate, or the short key is shift plus F9. Okay, yeah, you can see here the invoicing, our invoicing is ready to post here. Expense GL is debit and vendor is credit now. Okay, so please post. Yeah, here is the document number 19024. Okay, this is the invoicing document. In next session we will learn that how to release the payment. Okay, means how to create the payment voucher. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please press like, comment and share. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks to all.